Hey guys, I welcome you all in today's class. So today we are going to discuss about the next step. So in the next step, as you can see, one of the item is there is connecting from the wall. Okay, so this is in the extreme line. You can find it out here. So just for clarification, I am telling you that this wherever we have the wall, we need this structure. So this structure is, or the component is called as the UD channel or perimeter of the wall. So wherever we have perimeter of the wall, we will use this particular item that is called as the UD channel. So let's get started. So if I show you the photo, in which you will find out that wherever you will see this particular wall side, you will find out that this is the angle, UD angle. Okay. So the thing is, without wasting any time, we will start measuring. We will just start to find out first where is the wall. Okay. So here, if you see that this is the wall that is moving in this direction, then from the back side, we can see also there is wall that is coming in this way. Okay. So we will just start from the polyline that is PL. Okay. And from the PL, we will just select from here because after this, we have no more ceiling. So from where our ceiling is start our polyline from there. Okay, just moving in this direction. So just trace all the points where there is the extreme of the wall. So here, up to here, we just consider it that we will provide UD channel. Okay, so further you can continue in this manner, and at the front side, we are not going to use any kind of this UD channel. Okay, so I will just move it down, move it outside so that it is quite clear. Use the command M and bring it outside. So simple what we need to do, we will just select. As you can see, the length is 15.95 meters. Okay, so this every time you need to consider if you have this kind of scenario. Okay, so if you have this kind of scenario, you need to manually calculate because this is not too much hard. As you can see, it's very simple. You just need to draw the line. Okay, so here I will just mention it over here. This is UD channel. Okay, so from the UD channel, you don't need to mention anything space over span over spacing. Instead, you will see that the full length equal to how much the full length is. We already consider it over here, that is 15.95 meters. Okay, so just here you can mention the unit if you want. And in the second stage, you need to mention the supplies are overlap. So this supplies are overlap is we will consider 0.4 before knowing that how much is this length of this particular supplies. We need to convert this linear meter into the number of pieces. So again, our standard length will be 3 meters. So just divide it by 3 meters. So as you can see there, we need 5 UD channels, 5 numbers UD channel in order to cover this full area. Okay, so what I need to do is supplies is starting multiply from here, and you need to multiply by 0.406. Okay, so here you can see that we need to provide additional 2.15 linear meter of the UD channel. So just add it both together, or equal to. So this is our total length that we require in order to place our UD channel in this area. Okay, so this has been done. Now I want to convert this again to the number of bars. So here you can see that I need 66 bars in order to cover this area. Okay, so this is the quantity, and in second step, what we are doing, and it is same for every of the item, just multiply with 10% as a wastage. This one. Okay, so now we can say we need at least 7 URI channels in order to cover this 24.36 square meter area. So previously what we have done, that as you know that I just try to consider that how much square meter, how much bars linear meter we require for 1 square meter. But here we cannot do this. It is not implemented here because this scenario is not uniform. Okay, so because if you start working over here, so here again the scenario is different. So that's why you need to consider this as a manual. However, if you have area like this that is fully bound and you need to provide UD channel fully along the wall, because if you see here we have front side we have wall, side we have wall, in this side we also have wall, and in this side we also have wall. So it's mean that we need to consider this as a full UD channel. So what I need to do, I will just get the length that is 8.1 meter. So I will say it is 8.12 meters. So I need to know that how much the area of this. So the area is basically 3.91. So what I need to do, equal to 3.91 divided by 8.12. So I need this much linear meter for per square meter. Okay, so if area is bounded fully, in this case we can use this scenario. But if area is not bound fully, so we are not going to use this factor. This factor is the same as this factor, and also this factor. Okay, we will summarize this factor when we finish our job over here. So this you need to consider one single point and the rest of things will be the same. Thank you.